The best things in life are free. Yeah.
Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm actually doing a very exciting video. Well, I've been doing very exciting videos all week. If you guys haven't seen my last video, super fun, cool video. This video I'm doing another collaboration, this time with Janet Collection and maingang.com. They were kind enough to send me 2 textures of their ALIBA human hair, and so this one that you're seeing right here is the ALIBA natural body wave, and the one that you're going to see later is the ALIBA Bohemian wave, but we'll get to that later. So let me just jump right into this hair right here. So depending on how I edit this video, you guys probably have already seen this hair straight out the package. You probably have seen me already create the wig. You've probably already seen the problem area that I'm having, which let's just jump straight into it, is the part. So the funny thing about this is I've actually reviewed ALIBA hair before, and I think it was their ALIBA straight hair. So I'm probably going to put the video right here and then link it down below as well so that you guys can see it. I absolutely love the ALIBA straight hair, and I absolutely love this hair. The only problem that I'm having, y'all, is this part right here. This was the same issue that I had last time, and I kind of hoped that they would have improved on it, and they didn't. This part, it's nothing that I can do to it. I have tried to finagle it, I've tried to finesse it, I've tried to do everything to it, and there's nothing that I can do with it because the way that it's constructed. So it's not even like a situation where you can kind of pluck it and widen the part because of how it's made. It's like the way that the wefts are laying, like you can kind of see the wefts right here. Like I'll just get up close and you guys will see exactly what I'm talking about. So if you guys can see, this is me putting powder, this is me putting concealer, just to kind of give it some type of scalp look. What you guys also saw is me using some heat to kind of lay the hairs down because they also like hump over the wefts. So I tried to like put heat on it to like lay them flat, and no matter what I do, you will still see the part. If you guys can see that. So yeah, that's the part that I'm working with, y'all. I have tried to do everything that I could do to it to finesse it, and it's no finessing it. Now the upside is I love this hair so much. I love body wave hair in general. Just kind of, you don't have to straighten it, you don't have to, you could just kind of get up and go with it. So I absolutely love the hair. It's super lightweight, as well as I love the fact that the ALIBA products are affordable, and they're even more affordable because I actually have a code for you guys. So let me just give you guys the code before I forget. So the code is RhythmNBeauty Gang, and so of course I'll put it right here just so that you guys can have it. But I'm also kind of feeling that as a crew, like RhythmNBeauty Gang. I don't know, maybe it's too much. We're still looking, I'm still thinking on a name for us that, you know, have joined the fam. We are growing, and so I'm still thinking of a name. If you guys have any suggestions, make sure you guys put them down in the comment section down below. But yeah, on back to the hair. So yeah, I really love this hair. I've learned to kind of finesse it where I did bring out some baby hair. So I've worn this hair probably 2 or 3 times now because it's super easy to just kind of throw on my hair and go. So what I've done is I'll finesse it where I'll put some baby hairs. I'll try to create some baby hairs using this hair, and I will put a scarf on and put a ponytail in my head, and I will go. Or I won't put a ponytail and I'll just have the scarf on and I'll go, just so it covers up the parting space. So I feel like from far away it might not look as bad, but for me, I know the difference, and I just don't feel comfortable wearing it out like that. But I will definitely wear it with a scarf. Like, you can't tell me nothing when I have my scarf on. So yeah, that was pretty much all that I have to say about this unit right here. So I'm about to show you guys the next unit, and I'm pretty sure I'm probably gonna like that one a whole bunch more because it doesn't have a closure at all, and I don't have to deal with this right here. So let's just jump right into the next one.
What you mean to me. The best things in life are free. Now that we got each other, the best things in life are free.
So you guys just see me create this unit right here. That was actually my very first time making a wig using wig glue instead of me sewing the wig in. I actually got the idea from a different YouTuber, so I'll link her video down below. She'll probably explain it in more details if you guys wanted to make a wig like this, but I was just doing a very quick, let me show you guys what I did. So because this unit did not come with a closure, I had to make sure I made a unit that would be suitable since I didn't have a closure or anything. I haven't made a wig like this before, nor have I think I've worn a wig like this before, so I definitely want to kind of just jump out my comfort zone and create this unit. Now what I learned in making this unit is I probably use way too much hair. As you guys saw, the bundles, they all come in 2 bundles, so a 16 and an 18 inch, and so I felt the need to try to use all of the hair, but hey, I'm working it out, y'all. So the first one was the ALIBA natural body wave, and it came in 18, 20, 22 inch and a closure, and it came in the color natural black, if I didn't already tell you guys. And so the one that I'm wearing right now is the ALIBA Bohemian wave WVG, and it came in 16 and 18 inches in natural black, and it doesn't come with a closure. It doesn't have a closure, so you would have to figure out how you would want to wear the hair if you decided to go with this curl pattern. So I particularly love both of them. Sorry I told you guys I love the other hair, but the closure just doesn't do it for me. As far as shedding, I mean, I haven't ran into any shedding issues. The other hair does tangle a little bit. That could just because of the body wave, I'm not sure, but it doesn't bother me. It's not to where it's like it's matting. Tangling and matting are two separate things. So for me, it's doable. It's fine. I love both. I'm gonna finesse them both. This one, I'm not sure. I might have to come back and show you guys when I don't know if I'm gonna wet the hair, like see what the hair looks like wet or after it's washed. If it'll calm down some, but right now, whew, I think I'm giving like Donna Summer vibes. Like, y'all let me know. And next time I'll know just not to use like almost 8 bundles, but I thought the bundles were small. I thought that, you know, it wasn't as much hair, but yeah, I was wrong. So thank you, Janet Collection and MainGang.com, for supplying me with this hair to review for you guys. I absolutely love this hair, except for the closure. If you guys love it, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know which curl pattern is your favorite. If you guys do have a favorite, be it the straight hair, the body wave, or the Bohemian wave that I'm rocking, then make sure you guys use the code RhythmNBeauty Gang, which I'll put right here, so that you can save some coins. We don't like paying full price over here at this channel. So I hope that you guys like it, but I have a little surprise for you guys. If you guys remember, my birthday was June 19th, and I did a giveaway for Janet Collection faux locks. I did pick a winner, and the winner had 24 hours to get back to me so that I can send them their winnings, and that person never responded for whatever reason. Now I am picking a new winner. I went ahead and picked a new winner by, you know, pressing the button to repick somebody, and so the new winner is Aaliyah Martin. And so because nobody was expecting this, I'm actually going to email her. If she doesn't respond back within 24 hours, then I will pick a new winner, and I will continue to pick winners until somebody contacts me so that I can get them these faux locks. I thought this would be the perfect time, since I am doing a Janet Collection collab, to give away Janet Collection hair. So hopefully this winner will respond. Also, the giveaway winner for my last giveaway that ended yesterday, I believe, is a young lady named Firecracker, or that's her, I think, YouTube name is Firecracker. So she is the winner. By this time, she probably has already been contacted or notified that she has been chosen as the winner. I'd be also a surprise winner, so you guys make sure you follow me on Instagram, because that's where I can give it to you guys quicker than I can put it on YouTube. Yeah, make sure you guys definitely subscribe, because as you guys can see, I've definitely been giving away a lot more things, and I plan to continue to give away things. But yeah, I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Again, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe if you did. Let me know what you're thinking about all of this that is wrapped up in one video. But I hope to see you guys in my next video. Just